Whether you're a physical education teacher, a parent with some young children, a performing arts instructor, perhaps even a leisure pedagogue, all of those people need to have a foundation of how do I create positive movement experiences for kids? And we don't have a list. We have gut feels about it. We have an intuition. But physical literacy creates a foundation of saying, here's what I can do. It explicitly states that if you're going to develop a child's movement ability, their competence, you must consider developing simultaneously their confidence. And most people, if you talk to teachers, pedagogues, parents, they'll tell you that confidence is really important, but nobody ever tells them, well, how do you make that happen? How do you intentionally design for confidence and competence at the same time? Physical literacy demands that, because we know if you create confident people, you motivate them to participate more. So it equips teachers, pedagogues with new knowledge that they can put in their toolkit and a different mindset to activate children and have fun in the experience and continue to grow with the parent and teacher. Community leaders are critical in this day and age to embrace concepts that allow people to grow in their own potential, to create a society where there's better health equity and better social equity. And in this world now where we've created a movement-suppressed culture, community leaders are pressured now to reverse that, increase physical activity. And physical literacy is a great model that doesn't just talk about making people sweaty messes, which is important. It talks about the intrinsic reasons to move, why we like to move internally. And so community leaders that embrace that will tend to devote resources in their communities that can be effectively changing the population, as opposed to throwing money at something and hope it changes. So physical literacy is a very distinct way for community leaders to think about retooling their communities, physical literacy, enriching them to deliver increased movement opportunities for all people.